Hi guys, so I'm filming a video today and I started to get ready and then I realized I don't want to do that because I'm not going anywhere besides showing my face in this video. So I kept my day-old braids in that look like shit and my sweatpants on because guess what, I'm on my period and yeah, just give a couple snaps for Mother Nature. I've been feeling like a DIY queen. I haven't actually done any DIY projects, but like I've been on Pinterest, I've been bored, so all of a sudden I'm like, oh my god, I can build now. So I'm building my own nightstand. I just moved into this house with my parents for now. There's just like no nightstand, so everything just like sits on the floor next to my bed and it just doesn't look cute. And if you didn't know, in Arizona, in the desert, there are scorpions, so you have to keep shit off your floor because they can't get into your house. So fun. So yeah, I was on Pinterest and I was looking up DIY nightstands because I didn't feel like spending like $60 on a nightstand that like doesn't really matter. I mean, I just needed to hold stuff really. So cue DIY project number 1, DIY queen. This is so exciting. It's basically just 2 little boxes. I call them milk boxes. I don't know if milk actually came in these. But that's what they remind me of. So yeah, they're just called unfinished wood boxes. You can get them from Michael's or Joann's, and these were about $10 each. So, and I also got wood glue from there. It's the Elmer's brand, if anybody gives a fuck. Just to hold it together. And then I also got these little mending plates. They're from, I'm such a YouTuber. They're from Home Depot. They're from the brand Everbilt. I'll write them down below because I don't know. And then I just got some white paint to paint it. Hashtag life hack, just get a color sample. They're literally like $2.30, something like that. I just got it in white and like a satin color. Paintbrush and a drill. I feel like I need a drill bit for this. I don't know, I found it in the garage, so I'm just gonna hope that it works for this. So yeah, we're just gonna get this little party started and hope that by the time this video is over, I don't have cramps anymore. So it turns out I was dumb because I just went out in the kitchen and my lovely parents left out the drill and the drill bits on the table in front of my face. So I just went searching for like an hour in the garage trying to find drill bits that I don't even know what kind I need for no reason. So I'm just taking out the sticker part, you know, with the scan label on it, so it makes it easier to paint later. I'm acting like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what my channel is now because apparently I do DIY projects. I know this looks really short, just like 2 of them stacked together like that, but my bed is really close to the ground, so it works out. But if your bed is higher up, you can go to like Home Depot and get little pegs for the like bottom of this to just screw in, and that makes it a little bit taller. Here goes nothing. Oh my god, this bitch thick. Alright, then you just let that dry for like, I don't know, an hour? I don't know how long it takes for glue to dry. Does it have directions? This says I'm supposed to sand this thing, but like, this is just a glue bottle. Like, what does Elmer's know about making a nightstand? You know what I mean? I'm just gonna let this dry for like 20 minutes, maybe an hour, who knows, maybe all day. And then I'll come back and I'll put the brackets on. We'll pray that that goes well. And then we'll paint it and we'll be done. First step complete. Alright, I'm back. I don't know how long it's been or if the glue is dry, but frankly I just want to finish this. So yeah, I finally figured out how to attach the drill bit. So we're just going to be attaching these little bracket things to the back of it. But basically you're just going to put the bracket like in between the two wood boxes and like on the end so it goes into the panel of wood that's like makes the side. Does that make any sense? I don't know. You'll see what I'm doing. I feel like it's going to be a theme on my channel where it's just me doing things and then hoping it turns out well. Am I supposed to make a hole in here first? Like, how is this supposed to go into this wood? I need help! How am I supposed to keep this here? For real. This is why I need a husband. You know, a handyman husband, because I do not know how to do these things myself. I can't even screw a fucking screw into wood. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? Probably not. Fuck. Oh my god. I need an adult! This is not working. Alright, BRB, I'm gonna call my dad, because I wanted to be an independent woman today, but it's not working. Hello? I need your help. Alright guys, we figured it out. AKA my dad figured it out because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. Apparently I was using the wrong drill bits. Yeah. They didn't really say this in the Pinterest blog or whatever the fuck the directions say. They didn't say to drill a hole, so you know, technically that's not my fault. But I think we're doing good now. Alright, this isn't working either. I give up. I really don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Well guys, this might be another fail video. Wasn't planning on it, but that seems to be the way that it's going. Watch, my stepdad is gonna get home and he's gonna be like, you're doing this all wrong, you stupid girl. Lube up, guys. Lube up, because this is a hard, dry surface. They made this look so easy. Guys. Oh my god, it's working! Showed you, son of a bitches! I know you guys all thought that it wouldn't fucking work for me, but look at me now. Oh my god, an hour later, I finally got one screw in. Holy shit, bitch! I did not think this moment would ever come. Yo, this is fucking exciting. I should do DIY projects more often. Come on, baby, you got this! I'm a motherfucking pro. I don't know where my screw's at. Now, going with your screwdriver. I used to work with my dad as an electrician apprentice, so I totally know what I'm talking about. Guys, I did it! Oh my god, it's a bracket. Last step is painting. So I'm gonna go paint it outside, let it dry overnight, and then we'll set it up in my room. I feel like smart people would prime this or sand this first, but we're just not gonna do that. And just go in, alright? Time lapse, go. Okay, so it's like 2 days later, and I didn't feel like putting on makeup for this clip, so you get to see me looking like this. I ran out of paint, so I had to go to Home Depot and get another little sample container. of satin white paint, but it's all finished and all dried. I let it sit overnight. So now we're just gonna put it in my room and get all the shit off of my floor. By the way, you could probably do like another coat, like a second or third coat on it, but to be real, I was just too lazy to do that, but it would probably look a lot better if you did that. So anyway, let's go see how it looks. So I think the lighting was a little iffy because I'm filming against a window, but I did my little DIY project and I'm so proud of myself. I know it was like the simplest project I could have done, but if you guys saw my floor, it was not acceptable. So yeah, I'm actually really proud of my little nightstand. In all, it probably costs like maybe $25 or $30. It's so cute. It looks like it should belong on Pinterest. Oh wait. But yeah, so I didn't come up with this idea. I just want to like make that clear. But I just thought, I'm not doing anything in quarantine. Might as well show you guys what the fuck I'm doing. I would probably never do this if I wasn't being quarantined right now and being driven to do literally anything that'll keep me busy for an hour or more. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So thanks for coming with me, guys, on this little DIY journey, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, bye.